Are you interested in investing in NFTs? If you are, then you should definitely sell or buy your NFTs in one of the best, safest, and most protected websites in the world. And that's Opensea. You can even put your NFTs on auctions and get amazing prices. Yes, it's that easy, even if you're new to NFTs. If you're a digital NFT artist and want to start your career in the field of investments, then we have the perfect art marketplace for you. In today's video, we will be discussing and learning as a beginner how you can sell your NFT art in Opensea.io, which is an NFT art marketplace. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on our channel. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens are digital assets like cryptocurrencies that cannot be exchanged or replaced. The word fungible means to exchange, but NFTs can't do that. NFTs are validated and protected by blockchain technology and include digital art, GIFs, MP3s, music, MP4s, videos, and the list goes on. It's a specific type of token that carries a unique code that cannot exist in anyone else's token. Each token is different from the other, and you can almost compare it with someone else's fingerprints. NFTs are potential investments, sort of like cryptocurrencies, because of their fluctuating prices, and can even be a source of income for those who want to make a living in the field of digital art. NFTs can also be used for identity management. If we consider how physical passports are continuously required for traveling via air, what if physical passports are converted into NFTs? You will have the same identity, just the medium will be different. You can directly show it at the entry and exit points in safe travel. There are many more advantages to NFTs, but we shouldn't forget there are a few quite minimal disadvantages as well. What is Opensea? If you know what NFTs are, you will also know that they cannot be exchanged with the same value and cannot work like cryptocurrencies work. They need to be sold in certain marketplaces to gain value. Opensea is an online marketplace for non-fungible tokens. Devin Finsner and Alex Atala founded it in 2017. Anyone interested in selling, buying, or any other NFT transactions can use Opensea for generating NFTs for free and even offer them for purchase or auction to the customers or investors. This platform is based on the Ethereum blockchain technology, which follows the fundamentals of databases and spreadsheets and keeps adding blocks in a chain. In September 2021, Opensea released a mobile application that can be used to browse information regarding the current market situation but cannot be used to buy or sell the NFTs. By January 2022, Opensea acquired Dharma Labs, the Ethereum wallet company. Creation of NFTs. Before we begin how you can create and start selling your NFTs on Opensea, you need to understand the gas fees you need to pay. Unfortunately, making an NFT these days is not all cheap. It requires a lot of hard work and Ethereum gas fees. This certain type of fee is basically a charge that you need to pay to begin your smart contract for creating and selling your NFTs, and you need to pay it right before creating your desired NFTs. You can consider it like a tax that will allow you to begin using the available services. This fee is never the same and will change according to the network's schedule and how much miners charge to mine and write new data to the blockchain. Basically, this gas fee keeps fluctuating, so before beginning to start selling your NFTs, you need to be available with some Ethereum gas pay. The next thing that you need to be having and be aware of is an Ethereum wallet. This wallet will store your Ethereum, so you need to link it with Opensea, and after you sell your NFT, the amount of the capital will enter into this wallet. As we all know, Ethereum, like Bitcoin, also uses blockchain technology. For selling your NFTs on Opensea using Ethereum wallet, you will also be using blockchain technology. Finally, you need to get through the approval process on Opensea. Sometimes, after creating an Ethereum wallet and paying all those gas fees, you need to go through the process where your NFT art will get checked thoroughly and sometimes even get rejected. Now, Your NFT art can be anything, like a digital illustration, which can be in the format of JPEG, PNG, GIFs, music, MP4, videos. If these get rejected, you cannot further continue your transactions in Opensea. Account setup on Opensea. Before beginning to sell your NFT arts, you need to first have an account on Opensea. For this, in the beginning, create a wallet. You can use the Metamask, Coinbase, or anything else. Then just download it and add its extension in Chrome. Now you'll be able to see the option where you can create an account. Just fill in the details that arise after you open the page. Add a strong password that you won't forget, and which will also restrict any hackers from hacking into your account. And just like that, your account is set up. Buying Ethereum inside Coinbase. This is the second step that you need to follow before selling your NFTs. So after creating your account, open Opensea, press sign in, and put your password and login to your account. Link your wallet properly with your account, and you can use any of the Ethereum wallet companies like Metamask, Binance, Zengo to buy the Ethereum inside Coinbase. Creation of your store and other features. To sell NFT art, which will be your selling products, needs to be showcased in a store, so you need to create one. You can begin with adding a name for your store. Try to give it a catchy and attractive name to help gain new customers. Click on the Create option at the top. Add a logo that you can find from the list of logos, or you can create one yourself, a name, and the type of collection you'll be putting for sale. Since this is going to be your store, you can even put a banner on it, which will just give a summary with the graphics about the type of collection you will be putting up for sale. Now you can begin adding your items to the collection. Add the picture, name, and description of your NFT art, and it's ready to be released to the market. If you have a lot of NFTs that you'll be selling, fill up the information just like you did for the former one, and now you can just see how unique it is from the rest of the artworks in the properties section. In addition, you can add stats, properties, and many other features to make your NFTs look unique and special for sale. Now, depending on your quality, uniqueness, and type of NFT, the price of your art gets uploaded to Opensea. You'll be able to see the logo, the item, the descriptions, the properties, the unlockable content, the price, and many other contents you have filled up in the required information. Selling your NFT art. Once you are ready with your NFTs, now it's time to sell it. After someone shows their interest in your NFT, you need to click on the top right corner and open this new page where you will be required to pay the gas fees. The price of Ethereum gas now depends on how much you want to sell your art. You can put it up for the highest bid auction or just a regular price. And you can even bundle your NFT artworks together if you had many items in your collection. You can even create a referral bounty if you want, as it will help you increase your sales and attract more customers to your shop. The duration of such bounties can be extended up to 3 days. So you can put it up today and wait for 3 days so it'll gain good audience and someone might get interested enough to buy it from you. You can even put your item that is up for sale as public or private. Public if you want more people to notice you and your shop, and private if only a few people whom you will allow can view and purchase from you. Remember this one thing: you need to pay the gas fees to put your collection and item up for sale. Once all your steps are done, you can now come back to your homepage where you can check out all the offers that are coming from your item and many more. So that was it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on the video, and we will see you in the next one.